Welcome to Today's Homeowner with Danny Lipford. Expert advice on improving your home. In the pages of Today's Homeowner.
I was just checking out one of the episodes from the first season of Today's Homeowner. I'm glad to say we've come a long way in the last 12 years. Hey, this is a very special show for us. Not only is it the first show of our 13th season, it's also the 300th episode of Today's Homeowner. And there's a lot of excitement around the office. We've been wanting to work on this show for a long time. So today, we're going to hang up the tool belt and we're going to take a real fun look at the history of Today's Homeowner, where we had just a handful of stations when we got started. Now we have over 200 stations across the country. Now, prior to Today's Homeowner, there were a couple other shows that I did that were pretty interesting. Even though I didn't always remember it, the name of my first show was Better Living.
You're on Good Living. Can we help you?
It was a cable access call-in show, which proved to be a bit of an issue in itself.
Welcome to Better Living. Well, okay.
Plus, it was a remodeling show in a studio. So we changed the name to Remodeling Today.
Remodeling Today, the show about remodeling for the 90s, is
Took the cameras out to the job site to get some realistic advice from the guys in the trenches. Sometimes it was a little too real. Where do you start in actually wiring the building?
Well, we have codes we have to go by, and we make sure that...
I know codes play a big part in it, and they're changing all the time.
The code, or the law, is real clear on that.
The law might be clear, but I'm not sure that advice was.